guys, welcome to my channel. And you'll be wondering, why am I in my yellow towel? Because I just washed my hair. I decided to do a video today because again, self-quarantine at home. Okay, in Malaysia still partial, we still can go out and stuff. I decided to do a chill kind of video today because, you know, I just want to be like relatable to you guys, like, and show you guys what I do on a daily basis. Today's video is also inspired by a lot of YouTube videos that I've been watching. A lot of YouTubers have been doing what do I do in a day, or what do I eat in a day. But anyways, this is me in my yellow towel, and this is my hair. This is my pajamas. Alright, so now I just washed my hair, and there's no there's not much of a routine in terms of curly hair, but especially my hair, curly hair. So what I usually do is wash my hair, and I also practice conditioning my hair. So I will recommend you guys trying Herbal Essence Argan Oil hair. Herbal Essence Argan Oil Conditioner, and then I use like quite about this much. I don't know, a bit like this, a pea size, oh no, 50-cent size. And then I put it in my hair and stuff. And then my most important thing is this is a Lucidol Argan Rich Oil. Okay, this is a Japanese brand, and I have to say thank you, praise the Lord, that I get to find this stuff. This thing is so good, makes my hair super soft. Even my friend told me my hair is super soft. So we're going to put 2 to 3 pumps. Put 2 first, and then rub it all. People will say don't start from the root, so I'm not gonna start from the root. I just gonna put everywhere here. And just, you know, okay, I'm facing the mirror now, so I hope you guys are okay with that. And then because my hair, I would have to say it's not so it's not so thin, it's quite thick as well. I'm gonna put another 2 more. Okay, so do my stuff, and then put here. So why I decided to do this video is also because I've been feeling very anxious these days. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling very overwhelmed with emotions. My emotions are haywire. Fun fact about me, if you guys don't know, I'm a very emotional person. Can you tell? I hope you can. Yeah, so usually filming or creating videos, editing videos makes me happy, to be very honest. I like to express. I'm also a very expressive person. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you guys what I do on a normal basis. Right, okay, let's go. Okay, so hey guys, it's already dinner time and I'm gonna have my dinner. So it's now 9:30 or 10, I don't know. So this is what my mom made. Noodles. So this is mine. This is what my mom made. Taste test time. First bite. Obviously it's nice. My mama made. So yeah, I'm gonna have the rest of my dinner and show you guys what I do next. Bye bye. Hey guys, good morning. Today is the next day, which is in the morning, and now it's already 10 o'clock. I woke up a bit late today because, I don't know, I felt just so tired today. I'm going to take you guys along with me on what I do during the daytime. So now it's already 10, and usually I start my day with coffee. So I'm going to make coffee and I'll show you guys what I do next. That's how I usually start my day. And now I'm gonna taste some coffee. Nice. Right, so after drinking my coffee, I'm gonna straight go to do my emails. But before that, let's do a bit of an unboxing. I bought some stuff. I bought this like almost a month ago, and I just got it. Yeah, I hope I'm not. Oh, okay. So let's see. Obviously, ooh, it's our shirt. Wow, it's nice. Ooh, quality though. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Coffee. Anyways, this is fine. Isn't it nice? Size M. Because to fit the theme. Coffee is the theme. So usually I really start my day with a coffee. So yep. So this is done. Unboxing done. Let me show you guys what I do on a daily basis. So this is my laptop. This is actually my working laptop. And if you guys know GOT7, as usual, this is my favorite band. Right, so I usually will go to my emails and check all the important stuff because I like to clear my emails first before doing anything, or not I'll get very anxious. Okay, so I have to check all the important stuff. I'm going to end this clip now because you know, work is work. Let me do my stuff first and I'll show you guys what I'll do next. Bye. Hello everyone, it's already 11:30 and my sisters and I are craving for pancakes. I'm gonna Google up some simple pancake recipe because I'm not really good at making pancakes. Okay, so we need flour, white sugar, baking powder, 1 egg, milk, oil. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare the stuff now. 1 cup flour. To make the pancake fluffy, we need to sieve it. So I'm going to put everything here. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh god, it's fly. So 1, 2 teaspoons. We need salt. Do we need salt? I'm not too sure. Yeah, salt. Let's not forget sugar. 2 tablespoons sugar. Sieve. I'm gonna use this pan and melt my butter because they say 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna use butter instead because I don't have vegetable oil. It's either butter or fat. Okay, so we're gonna add our milk in. Mix first all the ingredients. Okay, now we will add the melted butter in. Okay, mix everything nicely. You know, incorporate all the butter in the flour. Can I be a cooking chef now? Okay. Slowly. Let's do it slowly. 1 egg. Make sure there's no shell. Okay, what I do in a day vlog becomes a... Okay, now we're going to add our milk in. Put half first to just see how is the consistency. I probably have a message now, so make sure there's no lumps. Add a bit more to loosen the batter. Yep, batter's done. Gonna add 1 layer in. Oh! Ooh, nice. Okay, I think we can put this in the pan. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest and I will show you what's the final amount that I made. Bye bye. Okay, so now we are done. This is the last piece. This is the last pancake. It's a huge one. So I'm going to eat the rest of the pancake. This is one I have here. Now I'm going to flip this thing. Ooh, burnt. But hey, I like mine a bit burnt. So yeah, gonna have this and show you the rest of my trip, the rest of my stuff. Okay, bye bye. Okay, so hey guys, now it is evening and it's 6:45 if I'm not mistaken. So welcome to this room, and this room is actually a prayer room, but this is the only space that I have to exercise. So now it is 6:41 and I'm going to exercise for at least an hour. This is actually my first time showing you guys what am I going to do. I don't really show my video in terms of dancing. Show a bit clip here and there. I'm going to use songs. So it may get copyrighted, so I'm not going to post the full thing, but just see how I move. So probably not the best. Too much TMI for today, but this is usually how I look. This is usually how I look when I wanna dance, exercise. So usually I'll do half an hour dancing slash cardio, and then the other half an hour I use my abs to exercise. So I'm going to finish the rest and come back to you guys. So I'm so sorry for this very wet, sweaty face. So bye bye, see you guys soon.
3 hours later.
Right, so welcome back. It's already 9 o'clock and this is going to be the last part of the video. This is me, back to my pajamas and my very messy hair and Winnie the Pooh. So I started yesterday around like 8:39, so now it's almost 9 o'clock. So I've showed you 24 hours what do I do in a day. So technically this video is like what do I do in a day. So I'm going to wind down a bit and just rest because it's been a long day. I woke up early, not really, but I woke up a bit early. So now I'm just gonna watch some TV shows or catch up some video, some drama. So currently I'm watching what's it called? Okay, in Korean it's called Hwayang Yonhwa. I think that's what it's called. It's called When My Love Blooms. So I'm currently watching that. Now I'm just gonna wind down and do some resting. I have this habit that checking up on emails at night, which is not a good thing, but yeah, sometimes I do that. So okay, I'm not gonna show you guys what I eat and those kind of stuff because it's very basic lah, technically, just the normal stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's nothing great, it's just very simple what I do in a day, and my day is actually very simple and very nothing special. Usually whenever I do videos, I want to at least let my audience or let my subscribers or let my friends know that you can learn something from this video. So in today's video, I think it's just nothing, it's just very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what is your daily routine. Do let me know what other videos you like to see. Honestly, your comments is deeply appreciated. So do like, share, subscribe, share this to your friends and family, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.